Da kerja kun beting banyalek persya kajing di drugs ki Pulit kejala Meghalaya kila yo Kurup rius pa nyo pendeu gram udrak heroin ba lipo strip tablet nitrazepam habekran bikla apthai khubor DGP kejala Meghalaya ULR Bishnoi ulong bahadin bikla yo jingtip ba on sedan ubriu yo balatip kerteng kemugari uban wan najerabam sheshelong leng ba kaselchar ki Pulit kejala kila pinsted ban apara hagi jaka pher hasilenter kani kasurong da ke jingtre hitam ke kinhon ANTF barki Pulit ke Kleriat Police Station hapo ke jelam jong sub inspector ba B Marbinyang ha ke por kamba saudunai min step ha ke sipalei jo kateo la pensange ekwe ke bus ke badanyo number ML not san L nyo pra nyo ba hadian ke jingto kit u conductor jong ke bus ulai thu bakidan armut ki khasi ha ke ke bus but yo way la tip kerteng kum ugari habala talasi yo geri khana yor lai posnam kerta basang basah molai stand bus bar yo kemen lang shabong ar posnam kerta na molai dat baki la yo artli ki pla ki bakit ikini ki jingdi penbu ai ya kini bara armul la penkit no Kleriat Police Station bar hadin ke jing tokit kini bara armul kilapla bo badan khti ban penbiang ka pisa na ka benta kini ka kam ude Marvin Jirwa hadin ke jing pla kini ki armul la apthap yo new Marvin Jirwa hamauren keneng But ringkat bat ula yo kem salangot ki weipat ye ki belatip kerteng kumu may be fil buam arpu arsnem kerta kraw bok lang khar kongor arpu kendai snem kerta but I bor lang lightmon arpu prasnem kerta.
We got the input that one bus was supposed to come from Manipur and then next bus from Silchar. It will start in the night times from Silchar to Guwahati. And the two prominent drug traffickers of Shillong, they will board the bus from Silchar to Guwahati, and they will carry a large consignment of the contraband drugs. That was the input. That was the only input available. The bus number, the bus details were not available. So the SP East Khasi Hill districts put Naka, multiple Naka at several places, and then we zeroed down on the bus. After that, at about 4:30 a.m. in the morning, one Naka party led by the DSP, additional SP Banra Plang Jarwa of the East Khasi Hill districts, East Jantia Hill district, and he succeeded in nabbing two drug traffickers. And from these drug traffickers, from their possession, we have recovered nearly 676 gram of heroin, the market cost of which is nearly 1 crore rupees. Because we came to know that in Shillong, the market price in the retail market is nearly 1,500 rupees per gram of heroin. So 760 grams, nearly you can say 80-90 lakh rupees. So this was tested on the spot, and once it is confirmed that it is heroin, then we further followed up on that, and after interrogation of these two drug traffickers, we have arrested 4 more drug traffickers from the different police station, that is the Moriknang police station of the East Khasi Hill districts. So the total recovery in yesterday night operation is the 676 gram of heroin, the 6 mobile phones, 1 number of scooty and 1 number of motorcycles, and 300 tablets of the nitrazepam, that is a psychotropic substances. So this was a very good operation, and hopefully our war against the drug will continue. And Meghalaya police is fully committed to eradicate this menace of drug abuse from the state of Meghalaya. Basically, our operations on all the sensitive routes will continue unabated till this problem is eradicated from the state.